Good morning, team. Welcome back, and if you haven't been here before, my name's Andy and this is Deer Valley Homestead. It is one big mess at the moment, and the goal is to start getting it cleaned up. I've put this first post in this morning. It's an old telegraph pole. It's just held in position with a few stakes for now, and maybe later on today we'll throw some concrete at it. I took the old post concrete out. Wow, is that thing heavy. It must be 200 kilos or something like that. But with a little hand ratchet and a bit of ingenuity, we got it out. I've got the gate stuck here. Unfortunately, I can't lift it, so I can't really move it out the way. The idea is to end up with a new set of gates between the two posts. This new one and this old one, which as you can see is wonky as hell. And then there will be a new post as well down here at the corner. So I'm gonna start digging that one out maybe today. We'll see how far we get, how long the weather holds. And then I've got to work my way along the fence line here. And the fence line is just horrific. It is a mess of trees. Some of them we want to keep, like the big walnut tree. It makes beautiful walnuts, and it is also the squirrel's favorite tree, so we're going to leave that one. That's the plan for the next few weeks. It is. But what I have discovered over the last couple of months with the forecast is that when it says rain and snow, it's probably only a 20% chance of rain and snow, even when it says 100%. Alright, that's enough jabber jabber. I'm going to get back to doing some work. I'll see if I can't find a spot for a camera for a bit of the old time lapse. I didn't really expect to have come outside today. It's supposed to snow all day, but as you can see, there's no rain and no snow, so I'm going to make hay while the sun shines, or make a fence while the fog's not too bad. Good afternoon, team. We are progressing well. We have the first post set in position. We have the second post in position, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to dig out the base and lay some concrete around it to keep it nice and secure. And this third post here is moving. I'm just not strong enough to lift it. It is heavy. It's a piece of railway track, and then it's got a big lump of concrete around the bottom. I am just too tired. Swinging that pickaxe is a full-on workout. I can't get out. I have cleaned out all the roots and all the rubbish down at the floor level that I need to, so that when the fence is in, nothing's going to grow up into the fence too quickly. I'm off inside to warm up. Alright, team, well, it's Tuesday. We're making good progress. I'm just working my way along the fence, cleaning out all of the bramble and all of this thorny bush. I don't know what it's called, but it's horrible stuff. I've had to go for double layers of gloves. It's the only way not to get spiked, and even then I'm still getting spiked, so it is what it is. On Friday we have a mini digger coming, which is just going to pull out all the root balls and mulch up the ground a little bit so that we can get as many of these brambles out as possible. So yeah, that's my plan for the rest of the week. So it's going to be a busy week, but the weather forecast is good for a change. Very happy, making progress. Just going to keep going along and making a big bonfire. So yesterday I managed to get rid of most of the greenery and vegetation, and today I need to go through and get rid of all this scrap metal that came out, and to take the last piece or two of fence down, and then I just need to give it a really good clean up. Nothing too exciting. Good morning, world. It is now Friday. I've been working on the fence all week. I've made some good progress. I've made myself a new gate, or 80% of a new gate. I still need to attach the chain link fencing to it, but that's a nice easy job to do. These guys are all very happy. Where are you, Zykes? Hello. Hello. Hello, John. And what about you? Hiding through the tunnel, huh? Okay, they're trying to eat my phone. Alright. What about you, quackers? These guys are all still happy. We still have the guineas. So all my stress and worry about them running away seems to have not been anything. It's very strange. They can fly. They do fly inside the enclosure. They will often jump up on top of the house just there. But for some reason they've never tried to jump over the other fence. Sometimes they look like they want to, but they never do it. So that's up to them. But it makes me happy that they're still here. Today I have a mini excavator coming. Unfortunately I probably won't be able to film much because the guy doesn't want to be on camera. But we're going to have a lot of work done. All of these random old fence posts are coming out. I've been able to take some of them out myself, but some of them are just too heavy. And then he's going to go all the way along the fence line. All that space that we have cleaned out in the last few days. And he's just going to take out the tree stumps that are left. It is just a mess of tree stumps. Anyway, that's my plan of attack for today. I will show you as much of it as I can, and I'm going to get on with some of the small jobs that I need to do before he arrives. I've got another area of wire to take off and just small itsy bitsy jobs, things to move out the way so that he can do his job. Just munches those roots like nothing. The mini digger man has left, and now I have a nice big old mess to clean up. I've got about 10 or 15 tree stumps to move, and then I need to go through and take all the roots out that he dug up for me and take out all of the junk basically. We found bits of metal, bits of fabric, bits of plastic, you name it, it was in that fence line. I've thrown up just a very temporary wire all the way around just to try to discourage the deer from coming in and eating any of our nice fruit trees. Most of them have some kind of protection on them, but there's a little fig tree down here that needs a bit of protection, and a little cherry tree over here. Hopefully they don't come and destroy anything. I think I've done enough with the temporary fence to stop them, but I'm going to put the wildlife camera out, so if I do fail, at least we'll have it on camera. That's going to be me for the next 3 or 4 days, just cleaning up, and hopefully we'll have a big fire at the end of it. Alright team, that's it from me for this week. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have an awesome week, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Bonus time. So the plan was to keep cleaning up, and I started cleaning up, but as you can see the snow has started to come down pretty heavy. There wasn't any snow forecast until Monday. Bits and pieces absolutely everywhere, so I'm going to focus on getting all of that stuff away before it gets buried under snow. Hello John. You know, I think Stiegel might be bigger than you. About twice a week I bring each of the rabbits over to the chicken enclosure just to give them a chance to smell something different, find a few little different leaves and bits and pieces, and just to let them stretch their legs.